In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Forms. Navigating through Google Forms is quite straightforward once you get the hang of it, and sharing your form with others is an essential skill that you'll find incredibly useful. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or coordinating events, being able to share your form seamlessly is key. Let's walk through the steps together and make sure you're comfortable with the process. First things first, to get started, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. This is your central hub for accessing all of your Google documents, including forms. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see a variety of files and folders available. Look towards the top of your screen for the option labeled Apps. Clicking on this button will reveal a range of Google applications, and your next step is to click on Forms. This will direct you to the Google Forms homepage, where you have the option to create a new form or access an existing one. Now, if you have a particular form in mind that you're eager to share, take a moment to find and select it from your list of forms. This will open up your Google form, and from here you'll be able to make any last minute edits or adjustments if needed before sharing it. When you're ready to share your form, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the share icon. It looks like a little paper airplane or an arrow pointing up. Click on it to bring up the sharing options. This is where you can configure who gets access and what kind of access they have. At this point, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the form with. If you have a list of contacts, you can simply type in their emails, or if they're on your recent contacts list, they might even appear as suggestions. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid any confusion. After you've entered the emails, the final step is to click on the share button. This will send an invitation to the recipients, giving them access to your form. Depending on your preferences, you can choose whether they have the ability to view, edit, or collaborate on the form with you. And that's it! Now you know how to share a Google form efficiently. Remember, if you ever need to adjust the settings or the list of participants, you can always return to the share icon and modify as needed. Sharing forms can significantly enhance your ability to collect information and collaborate effectively, whether it's for work, education, or personal projects. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and good luck with your Google form endeavors.